Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect Clash Royale with Facebook on iPhone. So first up, you cannot connect Clash Royale with Facebook anymore, as Supercell has removed support for Facebook login due to technical reasons. The feature is no longer available in the game settings. The current official method for saving your game progress and transferring accounts is using a Supercell ID. If your account was previously linked to Facebook, it is highly recommended to link it to a Supercell ID instead to ensure your progress is saved and portable to other devices. Here's how to set up a Supercell ID on your iPhone. First, open Clash Royale. Launch the game on your iPhone. Go to Settings and tap the gear icon in the top right corner of the main screen. Tap Connect next to the Supercell ID. You should see a Connect button if you aren't already linked. Next, tap Register Now and follow the on-screen instructions. You will need a valid email address. Then, Supercell will send a verification code to your email. Enter this code in the game to complete the registration. And finally, your account is saved. Your Clash Royale progress is now linked to your Supercell ID. If you relied solely on Facebook for your account backup and didn't link a Supercell ID before the feature was removed, you might need to contact Supercell support to recover your account. In the game settings, go to Help and Support. Then tap the chat button to initiate a conversation with the support bot. Provide details about your account, such as your player ID, if you remember it or can find it on a site like Royale API, exact username, and any other relevant information the support team might ask for. They will help you link your old account to a new Supercell ID email. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.